This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so thanks for waiting, everybody. So last session we was working on till last session we was working on the special scenarios, and in the end I was explaining about the impact of cross functionalities, how to be. Now, all these days, whenever we was creating a sales order, constantly we was getting one message saying shipping point, receiving point missing. So first we need to figure it out. That is, I need to initiate the shipping point identity in the database. So how to work on it, we'll see first. So first, our core module point of view, the order should be organized for executing the transportation part, shipping process. Later, the stock to be connected, then the product will be deliverable. So before we post the stock, we'll see the shipping point determination. See, in SAP, when something should be recognized automatically means it should be determined. So how to work on shipping point determination, we'll see now. So here, when you speak about shipping point determination, it is all about plant plus SC shipping conditions plus LG loading group is equal to shipping point. So if you all remember, plant we made in enterprise structure, shipping point also we made in enterprise structure, but shipping conditions, that is 01, 02, 10, as soon as possible, standard, immediately, we come across during customer master data and customer material information. I said they are just standards. Until you activate, they cannot be respondable. Long back when I was doing customer master data, if you all remember, I had taken example of a courier services. That is when the customer goes to a courier office to deliver some product. You see the, what you say, courier by asking what is your preference, kind of. That is the logic of these three. So we initiate these three so that while creating the customer, whichever one is maintained accordingly the shipping facilities. And loading group we come across during material master data. So this is not yet activated, this is not yet activated to our plant, our shipping point. These two are already connected in enterprise structure, but these two need to be connected. That is what is a shipping point and goods receiving point determination. So this process is been set in two stages. OVL2. This is for shipping point and goods receiving point determination. And one more we have OVL3. This is determination of picking location. This is the latest update. The first one is the regular one. You are initiating from where system should recognize the stock point. but this within the stock point from where it should pick up. So this is setup relevant to WM, and this is a setup relevant to general SD point of view. So these two steps will interface identity and picking point. Let's see how to do these two steps, and then we create a sales order. System should say document complete. That means order is all ready to set for delivery purpose. Only the stock should be now. That's the point. So let's see how to work on this. So OVL2 new entries. This is your SC shipping conditions, LG loading group, plant, proposed shipping point, manual shipping point. I'll tell you one by one. Shipping conditions, if I click on the drop down here, as soon as possible, standard, and 10. Here, somebody made with 1. That is not our, that is not default. Take 10. Even you can take this also, no problem, but take this. If anyway it is corrupted, again we may face some issues. And loading group, manual, plant, what what is our plant? Say GRA. Now here, proposed shipping point. Now understand and remember, if you have more than one shipping point, one to be connected as default, right? So default connecting shipping point is proposed. Alternative is manual. So for example, think you want to travel from one place to other place. So when you got to travel to one place to other place, what you will do? First transportation, if prefer flight. Second transportation, if not, you go by train or by bus. Third, if you or fourth, you may travel by your own car. The first priority is flight. That is your proposed shipping point. So in the company, if they have many transportation facilities or many shipping points they have, which one should be the default one is proposed. Alternative is manual. So as we made only one, we take the default one. What is our proposed itself is one. What we made. It is not must. You should have many. Just a minute. It is coming. Okay, kindly wait. Okay, let me log out and log in again. OVL2 new entries. Okay, just now it was reading, but I don't know why now. Kindly wait. If your assignment step is not getting read, system is not reading it, then such situations you may face. So go and check. If not detected, redo it. Yeah, see, our plant and shipping point. Here the problem is while working on enterprise structure, it was somehow duplicated every time we was facing this. That's the reason assignment was missing, it is showing. Let me redo it. So since we made it long back, since this got messed up, I refixed it. Okay, now let's see now. OVL2. The any issue is coming, we can fix it up. Only thing is you should know it. Okay, done. Now you accept it. So goods which are manufactured in this plant using this loading group as per the shipping conditions from this shipping points, the goods will be, that's the kind of shipping point determination. So where the shipping should be initiated, we have activated. Okay, save it back. Now OV L3, determination of picking location. New entries. Now here something you are understanding today, that is shipping, sorry, storage conditions. So first, give your plant. What is a plant? GRAP. After you give the plant, when you extract, it will show the shipping point automatically, because for the plant the shipping point is connected. If anything gone mess up in the enterprise structure assignment, it will not show, then you need to go and fix it up. And storage location, what you made, yes. GRAP, GRAP. Done. Now here we have storage conditions. Now this is something new what you are experiencing. We have not made yet. What is the purpose of this? I'll tell you. So a very simple example I'll give. Think this is your home, and this is your kitchen, and this is your refrigerator. So why we are talking about this? You can think. Your home, I'm connecting like plant. Your kitchen, I'm saying as storage location. Your refrigeration, I'm saying as condition. And this is your parking lot for your transportation. That is your shipping point. So, for example, somebody is coming to your home, park the car, and get in and asking for a bottle of chilled water, a glass of chilled water. What do? You go to your kitchen and you go to refrigerator and bring it up. Think in the company, when something to be started transportation, the product will be picked up from the plant within the storage location within the storage condition. So storage condition is the mode of transportation facility within the storage location. Okay, in the storage location, storage condition. See, think about a pharmaceutical company. This is cold storage, this is normal temperature, this is dry atmosphere, this is general. So in the storage location, you'll have storage conditions. Think about our home only. We go to a supermarket, we buy the groceries of different types. Some be stored in open air, some will store in kitchen, some will store in refrigerator. Accordingly, chocolates, ice creams, cool drinks, all will store in refrigerator. And food grains will store in kitchen. Understand this logic. I'm making it simple for you to understand. In the company also, according to the facilities, it is storage conditions. So when you are starting the shipment, you are directing to plant, to storage location, to storage conditions. So target point from where to pick up. Sir, we have not made the storage conditions. No, how? Think I haven't taught you. Or think we don't know the path how to go to storage conditions. Think. How then? Whenever you are coming off any such situation which is not known to you. For example, I need to customize this field, but we have not made. How? Drop down. You'll find a page icon here. Create value. See here, there are so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. These are idle numbering. That is dummy, not yet been used. So we can pick 23, 24, 25. I made it for Bajaj for previous batch. We can pick 23, 24, 25. Sir, I want to name with Grasim. Yes, that is what we're going to do. So totally how many are there? 58 are there. Either you can use this idle blocks or you can make new. Anyway. So first click on this one. you will get this pop-up. When you are getting this, continue without specifying project. When you click on this continue without specifying project, it will take you to the source. Okay. So here you need to be little bit smartly checking which one to be. Here we have material master, we have shipping. So you get in the both. We are not in the material master now. We are in the process of shipment. So select this one. It will directly take you to the place where we can define storage conditions. Either you can use this block. No, sir, I don't want to use this. Then go with new entries. I say G1 Grasim STGCOND01 storage condition 1, G2 Grasim STGCOND02, G3 Grasim STGCOND03. Done. Save it. So I just given storage condition 1, 2, 3 kind of like cold storage, normal temperature, atmosphere, like pharma what I've taken. Since it is a garment based, I've just made the storage conditions. You can say again, within denim, you can go with kids, you can go with men's, you can go with women's. However, the naming the client want, they will be done. So now you can see the list got updated to 61. 58 it was, 3 I have added. 61. Okay. Keep moving back. Close this. G1, G2, G3. Okay. So all three we have connected over here. Save it and back. Back. Refresh. Now both the determinations we have been made now. Right? Now go to VD02, that is open your customer ID, what we made long back, and cross check. Okay, so this is our customer ID sold to party, and this is the sales area what we have been made connected. I mean to say, go to sales area data here. Now watch me here. If we go to shipping conditions, here either it should be 01 or 02 or 10, anyone, because 3 we have connected to the plant, so anyone can be picked up either as soon as possible or standard or immediately, right? So I maintain standard here. So it will be recognized. Done. Save it. Save it. Done. Refresh. Go to material master data mm02. Enter. Drop down. GRAF. These are the materials. Pick one material. Enter. Organization levels. Everything to be done very carefully. If you are in rush, system will show many issues. Some you may understand, some you may not. Don't be in a rush. When it is giving an error, read it carefully, try to solve it. If not, bring it to my notification, I'll guide you. Okay, so here your sales general slash plant view. Loading group 0003. Yes, correct. Done. So like this, you got to check everything. So everything is correctly organized. Now if I create a sales order VA01, BRA3, enter, continue. Edit incompletion log. If I say document is complete, it should say when I click on shipping point, the shipping point to be recognized here. Earlier, this was not coming. It was saying no values found. Now we've made the determination, so it is recognized. So like this, you should get the what you say the order in complete status. Yes, it is complete, not incomplete. I mean to say complete. Fine. Now, as per the orders what we made, this order date is considerable deliverable on 19th. That's fine. But where is the stock? Who maintain the stock? From where we get the stock? That is what you need to understand. Okay. So, who maintain the stock? From where we get logistics? Stock is all about materials management, inventory management, then environment, stock. Now here I want to see the complete stock MMB. I want to see the stock as on today, posting date MB5B. Go with anyone. Give you a product and GRAITRA. Give your material, company code and plant and continue. No entries found. Everything is zero. Now what we do, I will step into materials management and need to do GR, that is goods receiving. I should bring in the stock and update here. Then with reference to it through SD, we'll see GI, release output of stock, and in between I am going to connect this to WM for automation. That is the latest update. And to get all this done for Grasium, you need to set up few FI areas, few materials management areas, few WM areas, and execute through SD. Because FI is base, inventory is base, WM is base for everything for outbound delivery. Because when stock is been delivered to the customer, it should have a response from finance. The stock from inventory, pickup from warehouse, release from SD. Okay, so you need to bring in the stock, you need to release the stock. Now, to bring in the stock, we have a latest updated layout which works in the cloud version, which works in this version also. So I'm going to show you the stock posting from tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we see the stock posting. If system is good, I'll be done with stock posting in one session with flow inflow. If not, we may get it fixed up with the issue, whatever it is, and Monday we'll complete the integration part. So what I do here directly, I don't post the stock. If I go to GL account and create a GL, I don't understand why I do. So I'll show you the error and I'll show you the solution. Like that plant settings, like that your movement type settings. So every other module related customizing steps what we do in the process during the process of stock posting, I'll show the errors, I'll show you the solution so that you understand what is the impact of steps what we are doing if they missed out how they react. And this will be helpful for you to speak out. When you say you worked on issues, then definitely the interviewer will ask you what kind of issues you worked and speak these issues. When you say you worked on integrations, what kind of activities you was involved in participation and speak on this. All right. So it will be very interesting and very informative because you are getting the understanding of other modules interface in the process of your model process. Until you are involved in a live project, you will not get to see this. Okay. So in sync, nobody or nowhere you'll find all this thought or explain. So don't miss out. In the next session, we'll see how to work on the stock posting process. I'll introduce to the updated layout of stock posting and we'll see how to work on that. And then you will come to this screen MB5B to see the stock updated. I'll just show MB5B for my other batch, completed one. For example, I was doing with Parley. Get like this. On 17th of April, I posted the stock of 100. On 19th of April, one was ordered. It was picked up automatically. The picked up stock is marked as red, which is minus, and it is showing left out stock 99. So after we bring in the stock in green, it will show. After we execute the delivery cycle in red, it should show the delivered product. And this all should happen automatically. See, my plant, my material, everything is our made. So if you can see this for Titan, you are through with the outcome of one full end-to-end cycle. All right, everybody. So that is what our focus for our next session. Very informative and very important. I'll see you all in session tomorrow. So thank you, everybody, and see you in tomorrow session.